In this video, we are discussing about binary operation. Binary operation. What is the meaning of binary? By means binary means two. Binary operations. Binary operation. That means on the two elements we are applying some operations. Already we know some operation, binary operation on two elements or three elements. Already we know what are they: addition or multiplication or subtraction or division. These are all operations. For example, 2 plus 3. Here the operation is addition. We are operating on addition. So 2 plus 3 is 5. That is the binary operation. Next division, 2 by 3, division, multiplication. These are all binary operators. These are all binary. These are all operators. We are applying on two elements. Then it is a binary operation. What is the definition? How we are defining the binary operation? You see now. A binary operation. Star means here it may addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, LCM, HCF, minimum, maximum, anyone. So anyone operator on the set A is a function. It means binary operation on set A is a function. That function mapping from where to where? A cross A to A. A cross A. What is the A cross A? Cartesian product of A. A cross A to A. We denote star of A comma B. Binary operation star on A comma B by A star B. See, these are definition. Very simple. You see, if A comma B belongs to A comma B belongs to A, then A star B belongs to A star B belongs to A implies A star B belongs to A, then star is binary operation. Star is binary operation. Simple. By example, easily you will understand. You see, a binary operation star is from R class R to R, real numbers set to real numbers. Define, A star B is equals to A plus B. That means here star is addition. A star B how we define? A plus B. Is a binary operation. How you see? Is a binary operation. For example, you see, 2 comma 3 belongs to what? 2 comma 3. These are two real numbers. Then that implies order pair of 2 comma 3 is belongs to R cross R. Order pair of 2 comma 3 is belongs to R cross R. Cartesian product is the one of the element between R cross R. R having infinite elements. R cross also having infinite elements. In that 2 comma 3 is the one of the element. You see, 2 star 3 how they defined 2 star 3 is equals to 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to what? 5. 5 also belongs to R. Therefore, star is a binary operation on which set real numbers. Understood? Star is a operation, binary operation. Star is a binary operation defined on n. Defined as A plus B. That means the binary operation addition, multiplication are the binary operation on the set n. and set of n natural numbers. For example, we say 2 comma 3 belongs to n. 2 plus 3 5 belongs to n. Next to 2 into 3 6 belongs to n. So it is the binary operation. For example, division is not a binary operation on n, on natural number set. Why you say 2 comma 3 belongs to n? Then how we define division division on a comma b equal to a by b. So division of 2 comma 3 equals to what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is does not belongs to n. So division is not a binary operation on the set n. Similarly, subtraction also is not a binary operation, because you see 2 and 3 belongs to n. 2 minus 3 is equals to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 does not belong to n. So it is not a binary operation. On n, on the set n, which are the binary operators? Addition, multiplications are binary operation, but not division and subtraction. On real number set, addition is the binary operation, subtraction is the binary operation, division is the binary operation, multiplication also binary operation. To take any two elements, the sum of two, if a comma b are any two real numbers, the sum of the real numbers always real, the difference of real numbers always real, right? The division of the product of real numbers always real, the division of real numbers always real. Understand? So on the real number set, star the real number set, addition is the binary operator, subtraction is the binary operator, next to multiplication is the binary operation, next division also binary operator. On the set n, you see addition is the binary operator, a comma b belongs to r, a plus b also belongs to n, a comma b belongs to n, a plus b belongs to n. Next, a into b also belongs to n, but not a minus b. For example, a is less than of b, a minus b is negative, so it is not a binary operation. Next, here is star, this is on n. On r, you see r on the set capital R, real number set, division is not a binary operation. I told you division is a binary operation, but it is not a binary operation. You see, a comma b belongs to r, division of a comma b is equals to what? A by b. So this is does not belong to r. Why? You see, b may 0 also. If b equal to 0 is belongs to r. Something by 0 equal to infinite does not belong to r. Not defined. So it does not belong to r. On the set R, which are the binary operators? On the set R, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Division is not a binary operation. On n, addition and multiplication of binary operators, which minus, that means subtraction, and division, these are all not a binary operations, right? So this is the definition of binary operation. What is the, I hope you get idea. What is that? Binary operation means the after the how they defined. For example, if we defined on the binary operation is addition, we are writing as a plus b. If it is minus, a minus b. So how we defined? So that result also belongs to the set. Then the operation is called binary operation, right? You see one example or textbook example. You see now. To example 29 already we discussed now. Example 29. Show that Subtraction and multiplication are binary operations on R, but division is not a binary operation on R. Further, show that division is a binary operation on the set R star on non-zero real numbers. Right? So, what I have to show? Star is a binary operation on R for which operators? So, addition, subtraction, multiplication. See. A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. That implies A comma B belongs to R cross R, and A plus B belongs to R. Therefore, plus is a binary operation. Plus is a binary operation. Right? Similarly, A comma B belongs to R, then A comma B is equal to R belongs to Cartesian product, right? And A minus B also belongs to R. The depends upon the real numbers. They are always real. So minus is a binary operation. Is a binary operation, right? Next one. Multiplication. A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R. Here A pair of A comma B belongs to R cross R, and A into B belongs to R. Therefore, into is a, that means multiplication is a binary operation. See, if A comma B belongs to R, that implies that A comma pair of A comma B belongs to R plus R, but A by B does not belong to R. What is the reason? B may be 0 also. B may be 0 also. Therefore, division is not a function first. It's not a function. Because when we say the function, if every element having image, that means here R comma B doesn't have an image. So this is the R plus R set. This is the R set. Right? R cross R, 2 comma 0 also belongs to R cross R, 2 comma 0. But 2 by 0, not different, means 2 by 0 doesn't have an image. So it is not a function. It is not a function. What is the binary operation? Binary operation is a function. So binary operation here, this is not a function. So it is not a binary operation. Understood? It is not a function. What is the reason? What is the reason? 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0, dash infinite, 3 by 2 comma 0. These are all doesn't have any images. Doesn't have any images. So it is not a function. That means so star division is a not a binary operation. So next you say A comma B belongs to R minus set of 0. Nothing but this is R star. Then A comma B belongs to R star comma R star. A plus B belongs to R star. That means so place is here if you write division A by B belongs to R star. Therefore, division is a binary operation on which set R star. That means non-zero real numbers. If R is a non-zero real numbers, the binary operation division. The division is a binary operation. Understood? So this is the definition of binary operation. You don't take confusion. Very simple here. Yeah, very simple. Here we are giving some inputs. Those are nothing but belongs to R class R. The output we are getting some output. Some here operations is there. It may be so division, multiplication, addition, multiplication, division. LCM, HCF, so many operations is there like that. Output we are getting some output that is belongs to, that means here A is the any segment. Then this is nothing but star function. Then this binary operation is a function. Understood? This is the some operation. This is some mission. Just to imagine it is as a mission. We are giving some input. We are giving some output. That output is belongs to A. Output is belongs to A. Then star is a binary operation. That's it. It's very simple. We are giving some input, then we are getting output. That output is belongs to A, then it is the binary operation. That's it. Very simple. Right? Next, we will say now properties. See these properties. In properties, we are discussing about commutative, associative, existential of identity, inverse. These definitions are very important. These definitions they are asking for 1 mark. And at the same time, the binary operation definition also. The definition: define binary operation. Give one example. Otherwise, define what give binary operation. That is 1 mark question. Important question. In previous papers, they given those questions. Important one, you see. What is the commutative property? You see, commutative property. A binary operation star on the set X is called commutative if A star B is equals to B star A for every A comma B belongs to X. Very simple, you see. Which are the commutative? Which binary operators are commutative? See now, the addition is always commutative. How? A plus B equal to always B plus A. A plus B is equals to what? B plus A. So plus on A comma B is equals to what we are writing here? This is equals to A plus B, right? This is equals to, we can write as B plus A also. This is plus on B comma A. That is plus on A comma B is equal to plus on B comma A. Nothing but A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here plus is the binary, plus is the commutative. Addition is the commutative. Next, same way multiplication also commutative. Into of A comma B is equals to A into B is equals to B into A. B into A is equals to into on the multiplication on P comma A. So multiplication on A comma B equal to multiplication on P comma A. Therefore A star B equal to B star B. Therefore that means here nothing but here A star B defined as A plus B. So A star B is equals to what we are writing A plus B. A plus B we can write as B plus A also. So B plus A nothing but B star A. Here A star B is equal to B star A. Let's show one more, you see. A star B defined as AB. So A star B is equals to, we can write B also. A into B here both are same. So this is equals to B star A. A star B is equals to B star A. So multiplication. Here what is the operator? Here multiplication. Multiplication is the commutative. In the same way, you try now. A star B defined as A minus B. So this minus is common, B minus A. This is minus of B star A. So A star B is equals to minus of B star A. Those are equal or not equal? Not equal. A star B is equals to what is the condition? B star A. What we get here? Minus B star A. So minus is not commutative. Minus is not commutative. Similarly, division answer A star B is equal to A by B. A by B is and B star A is equal to B by A. A by B not equal to B by A. Therefore, A star B not equal to B star A. So division is not a compared. Understood? So compared to 180 knows on the real numbers. So same way here. Second one, associate. Associative definition, associative A star of B star C is equals to A star B star C. For all A, B, C belongs to X. So which are the binary operators here? Addition is the binary operation. Addition is the associative. Multiplication also associative. That means A star of B star C is equal to, if star is addition, what we are getting here is this. So this is equals to you see A star B is equals to defined as A plus B. So now A star of B star C is defined. So this is the alignment, is the alignment. So it is in the form of A star is B, right? B star C is equal to A star B is A plus B. B star C equal to B plus C. Now A star of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This is equation number. Right side A star B star C is equal to A star B is equal to A plus B star C. This is equal to A plus B plus C. Equation number. From 1 and 2 both are equal. From 1 and 2 A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. So A star is associated. Similarly, multiplication also associated, but division and subtraction is not associated, right? Next, existence of identity. Existence of identity is saying very simple. A star is equal to E star A. E star A. That means here there exists E belongs to A such that A star is equal to E star A for all A belongs to A. See, A star is equal to I defined as A plus B. That means what is the identity on addition? What is the identity? 0 we know, but how we are finding it? See, what is the condition? A star is equal to A. So A star equal to what? A plus B. So A plus B is equal to A contains B equal to 0. That means E is called what? Identity. So E is the additive identity of E is the additive identity. E is called additive identity. What is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is 1. Right? Next, existence of inverse. Existence of inverse is the there exists B belongs to X all between X. So B belongs to X such that for all A belongs to X. If there exists B belongs to X such that A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A. B star A. Then what is the E? E is belongs to X. That means E is the identity in the set X. E is the identity in the set X. So simply say F circle G is equal to I is equal to G circle F. Here F is invertible. G is inverse of F. That is F inverse is equal to G written. Same like to say A star B is equal to B star A. equal to identity. Here identity sign. So here what is f is invertible, here a is invertible. G is equal to f inverse. That means here G is B is equal to a inverse, or a inverse is equal to D. Right? These are the definitions. Based on these definitions, we have next exercise. You have to remember these examples. These notes I will provide in PDF. That notes only you write in notes. Don't write running notes, right? Next video we will see exercise, last exercise in this chapter 1.4, right?